Welcome to this sleek, modern and functional kitchen. Our team has produced a concept that balances simplicity, practicality and aesthetic while coming well under budget. This video will showcase the entire design process and how we have incorporated the client's needs and wants into the final model. The Industrial Arts faculty at Sydney Boys High School has asked us to design a new kitchenette in their staff room. The current situation is outdated, weather-beaten and lacking in storage, which has made the kitchen very messy. Previous water damage due to intense rainfall has rotted the cabinets and caused a cockroach infestation. The clients need the same suite of appliances and fixtures, which are the following: more storage effectively divided for cutlery, dishes, general pantry goods and stationery, increased bench space to make preparing food easier, waterproofing and durability to increase the kitchen's longevity, and space to put up notices and personal photos. The clients want a modern design with dark cabinets and a wooden bench top, instant boiling and chilled water from a tap to replace the external water heater and water cooler, incorporation of universal design principles, and an environmentally conscious design. The budget for the project is $6,000, including labor. To meet these guidelines, we conducted research for several weeks into client requirements, the site, building standards, existing kitchen designs, kitchen systems, and costs. This helped us to create concepts which were realistic and practical. For example, an essential step was a site inspection, allowing us to plan the layout of the kitchen. Each member drew 3 concepts each which explored the layout of the space, such as the position of the kitchen triangle, benchtop space, and the use of wall storage. Through a scoring table which objectively compared how much each concept satisfied the requirements, the final design was selected. The main features were a simple L shape, allowing room for many people, wall storage consisting of both shelves and wall cabinets, and ample benchtop space. The next step was to improve the concept by adding in extra features and modeling in 3D to create a realistic prototype. In this process, we finalized the cabinets and layout, worked out the placement of appliances and the sink, and designed for the use of real products. These prototypes were tested in virtual reality to refine the ergonomics and expose any errors. For example, the notice board in the corner of the kitchen was not very visible, and a better spot was the back of the door. Using dynamic components, we could also simulate doors and drawers to make sure there was enough clearance for them. The final design uses IKEA's method system, which is highly modular, allowing for lots of storage and very easy installation. The large kitchen triangle lets many staff use it at once. The long shelves provide convenient access to everyday needs such as cups and plates, clearing up space on the counter. In addition to the 3 base cabinets, wall cabinets and a tall pantry provide plenty more room for food. Drawers store small items much more effectively than shelves. The cooking appliances are close together and the microwave is built in to increase bench space. An additional feature is a sink. The 2 basins separate dirty dishes from food preparation and extends under the water heater to catch drips, protecting the countertop. The laminate backsplash further waterproofs the kitchen, increasing its lifespan while looking great. On the right, the 2 IKEA cabinets can store plenty of stationery and documents. They can be easily moved or replaced to suit the client's needs. The notice boards are clearly seen while using the printer or across the room. Finally, it was important to make the clients feel at home. They can pin personal photos and messages on the 2 notice boards, and we've displayed the axe in a glass box. The dark color scheme and wooden counters provide a premium and comfortable feeling to the kitchen, as well as fulfilling the client's preferences. The estimated cost of this kitchen is $5,500, leaving $500 to buy new appliances or spend elsewhere. It ticks all of the client's boxes and more, making it not only a functional space, but also one that is enjoyable to be in.